Here is how to participate in an IDO on Polkastarter, step by step. First, go to polkastarter.com on your browser and connect your crypto wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Rabi. On the home page, tap on Projects to browse all upcoming, active, or past IDOs. Find the project you're interested in and click it to view full details, like tokenomics, whitelist requirements, sale date, and the blockchain network it's hosted on. Most IDOs on Polkastarter require you to be whitelisted. Click Apply for Whitelist, complete the form, and sometimes hold a number of POLS tokens in your wallet to qualify. Once you're approved and the sale goes live, revisit the project page. Click Join Sale. Enter the amount you want to invest, usually in USDT, Ethereum, BNB, or specified token, depending on the project's blockchain. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Pay attention to gas fee and make sure you're on the correct network. After the IDO ends, the token will either be distributed directly to your wallet or claimable from the project page under Claim Tokens. And that's how you participate in Polkastarter IDOs, a simple way to access early stage crypto projects. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.